everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Christina. This is the place where we learn how to bake and cook together every week. This week coming, it's the monthly collaboration. It's going on this year as well. The color for February is pink. So I'm gonna make red velvet cupcakes, and I'm gonna decorate them with cream cheese frosting. And I'm gonna add some raspberry powder to the cream cheese, and it's gonna be really pink and very yummy. So all the pictures are gonna be on my Instagram account, which is at Christina's Cuisine. The video on YouTube will be on Rapid, as you used to by now. And if you like what you see here today and you're not one of my subscribers yet, please subscribe. It will mean so much to me. And don't forget to tap that little bell, because that way you get notifications every time we put a video up. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Leave any comments below, and until next time, take care of yourselves and go break on it. So I'm using for the first time, I found this in Sainsbury's. It's a red velvet cake mix pack. So I said I'd give it a try. This is a cake mix. You're supposed to add 60 milliliters of milk. I'm using almond milk because we're not drinking normal milk, and 2 eggs, and that's your cupcake done. Also in that pack you got the muffin cases, which are 12, plus some cute little sprinkles. Amazing. And they also give you some icing powder. Wow, I'm gonna make cream cheese for this, but still, this is really good, and that was only £2, guys. I just wanted to try see if you can see any difference between the box ones and the normal ones. Yeah. So we're gonna mix the powder with the sugar. Sorry, with the milk and the eggs, and then put it in the cupcake mix, in the cupcake thing. Yeah, so let's see.
Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. To be in the great outdoors, forever free, you and me, meant to be.
Hello everyone, it's the day of the cream for the cupcakes. As I told you yesterday, here they are. They have risen quite nicely, and very happy with them. And we're gonna make a cream cheese filling. I'm using the recipe I always use for the cream cheese. I've just done the ingredients in half because I don't think I'm gonna need all of it. And I am using 300 grams of sugar. I am gonna add a teaspoon of this raspberry powder, because it's gonna make it look pink, and it's gonna give it that special fruity taste as well. And you also need a tablespoon of vanilla, a pinch of salt, and here I have 112 grams of full fat cream cheese, and 115 grams of butter. So we are starting by mixing the cream cheese with the butter together until they become nice and fluffy. I'm not going to use the big mixer because I don't think I need to, not that much filling. And then we're going to add the sugar, pinch of salt, vanilla, powder, raspberries at the very end. Yeah, so let's start. I'm using my spoon a bit just to incorporate them together, because I don't want them to be splashing all over the place. And we're going to put the mixer on. So you don't have to do this, you can put the mixer on straight away if you want to. I think we are safe.
Meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be